Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can display the product with the help of categories. Means I'm going to click on any category. I want to display the particular category products on the page. In this video I'm going to teach you another important thing that are very important for e-commerce website. So first thing I'm going to show you, I'm going to click on LEDs. Then I'm able to see empty page, right? But I want to display the record not found inside the category page. Like LEDs, I can't see any product. Then we need to display the record not found text, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor and go to category.php page. Inside there have this thing, while loop. Before while loop, this one loop, you need to write simple if statement and call MySQL num row and pass the parameter like particular products variable. Like this one, we have made this one variable on above, right? You need to pass this one variable, use square brackets and cut this one square bracket and paste on there, and use else statement and write the echo statement. Write the text record not found. So save and let's check it now. It's working or not. Yes, as you can see, I'm going to click on computers. I'm able to see our products have been appeared, right? Now one more thing I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on go to direct category.php page. Inside this page you have undefined index ID, so we need to fix that. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Open your category.php page and we have made this one variable. Basically this variable is very important to getting the ID from get variable. So you need to use simple way. I'm going to show you. Use get ID, assign null value, use if statement and is set. Done. Let's go get ID, not get ID, use ID. If the get variable is active, then assign the value on there. That's it. Save and refresh the page. As you can see, you can't see any error on this page. Let's work on the next thing. I go to index.php and we are able to see products, but we need to assign the, but I think we need to work on the category page. Then I'm going to show you the product. I go to computers and I'm able to see two products, right? But we need to assign the links on each product. But before working on that, I think we need to work on this one product page. On this one, and when user click on the particular product, then who will redirect on the product.php page, and we will able to see the product images, details and anything else. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first thing, I'm going to open index.php page, and this is a price, this is the image. So we just use a href link and close a href on there, paste there. Inside this one section, we just need to call basic syntax of PHP and call row, commas. We will call this one variable on there and pass the what ID. Just a minute, I'm going to show you. I think we need to call the product page product .php PID. This is the gate variable. I need to assign the gate variable, and inside the gate variable we need to assign the product page ID variable. Like this one, we need to assign this one column name to assign the ID p_id, right? This is my local gate variable. You can write any name as you want, but this is a database column name. So first thing, save and refresh the page. Inside the image, I can't see the, okay, just a minute, I'm gonna check that. Okay, I think we need to use equal statements, save and refresh the page. I hover the mouse on the image or product image, you will able to see on there PID equal to 1617. I'm gonna click on that. I'm able to see product.php page. This is my gate variable, this is the ID, right? So we need to also assign the links inside the title page, like a text. So you just need to copy this whole thing without the image tag and paste on the product link page, close on there, save and refresh the page. As you can see, Apple Watch. I'm going to click on that, right? Back to category, whole categories. Inside the category page, this is the only category.php page. We need to also assign the links. So I go to category.php page, and where it is, this is the price, description, and where is image here? I have already, I think, assigned the link. Okay, I'm gonna show you from scratch. I'm gonna remove that. This is the only image tag. Close anchor link, save, and let's refresh the page. This is a category.php page. As you can see, category.php page. Inside this page here are products, but we need to assign the links, right? And when user click on that, then who will redirect on the product.php page. So I'm going to use simple href, right, and equal sign, basic syntax of PHP, and we need to call this one variable, call echo row, and single quotation. Inside the single quotation, we need to write product.php page $p_id. This is a gate variable, and equal sign. Then I don't know why I sent this one anchor link. Start closing. Okay, I'm gonna close the anchor. So this is a product.php page right there, and this is a gate variable, and we have assigned the what? We need to assign the product ID. So I just check the ID. What is ID? PID. So p_id. So first thing, save, and let's refresh the page. I hover the mouse and I'm going to click on that. As you can see, product ID 18, product page name. I go to again any category page, remove this one, and this is a camera. I'm going to click on that, and this is 70 ID of camera, as you can see, right? So everything is perfect, but the thing is, I go to this is the product page. Which product? This is the camera product. We need to display the particular category name on there. So how you can do that? That's very simple. We will use join. I'm going to show you. But before using join, we need to display the product inside the product.php page like this one. So I go to our product.php page right there, and where is the product? So I think we need to call create a function. So display products function, display products global con write the query, select static from products products where status. I have already made the function on a board like this one, so I don't need to use this one again, right? So I comment out, I'll leave that, and I'm gonna copy this one function, go to product.php page, and on abo I'm gonna call products, make a variable and assign the function. This function will get one parameter, right? I'm going to show you, as you can see. So inside this page I don't need to use any parameter, so you just use a single quotation, I mean empty value. Then I'm going to use this one variable to get the particular product's value from the database. So I'm going to use what for result MySQL I fetch associate and pass product variable. Then I'm going to call this one variable to display the particular product's data on product.php page. So first thing, I'm going to copy that and back to category. This is the category page, and this is the image and availability stock and undefined variable information. I think we have used or not used, I don't remember that, but I will work on that from scratch again, right? So inside this page, this is the image, so this is the src image folder name admin, and inside the admin folder have image. Then I'm gonna use single quotations, I mean PHP result variable, and we will call the image column name. So first I'm gonna check that image, right? So after that can't see image. Okay, admin image echo PHP echo result image folder echo, everything is perfect. PHP result. Just a minute, I'm gonna check that I have worked on not. this is the data, but I think I'll leave that this time because I'm going to show you from scratch. And just a minute. Okay, I need to remove that and use double quotation. This is the starting and this is the closing double quotation. So we are able to see image, right? And we need to display some information on there. This is the information page. So just a minute, I'm gonna I'm gonna check out the information page. So inside the information have a button, and this is the p tag. I'm gonna call echo result, and I'm gonna check my database column name. That will help us to display the description. So I'm gonna call description, right? So let's check it now. Apple Watch, right? And shopping return, and this is the payment method and availability, and this is size. I don't need to use size. So what is size? I need to remove that. So unify that. Perfect. I undo that and check out that quantity. I remove that again and refer that. Perfect. But the thing is, I go to again this page, and this is the Apple Watch, but I'm gonna click on camera again, and I'm able to see same thing like Apple Watch and same image, right? So we need to fix that. Where is the price? Okay, price will be okay. I will manage the price on later. This time I just check out the image problem, right? And this is a category.php page, and why I can't see the image. MySQL fetch associate product, and I go to function.php page by descending. Okay, I will write again another query. If no, I don't need to use if query. I just need to check the problem. Function found result, found query, and product. This is the result variable. Okay, let's write the while loop to check out it's working or not. So then I'm gonna use a while loop. So I'm gonna call row MySQL I fetch associate and pass the product variable, because I don't need to display. Paste there, and you just need to change the variable and go to above and just comment out. Let's look at that. Inside this page have many images, right? This is a while loop, but I go to camera again. This one page, this is a front end image, second one image, third one image. Okay, I don't need to use a while loop on there. So I undo that and save and refresh the page. We are able to see only one image, but I don't know why I can't see the particular image and particular description. Camera, GoPro, I'm able to see the same product video and data. So I'm gonna check that where is the problem. Okay, I will use another way. Okay, I comment out. I go to function.php. I will make another function. I'm gonna copy this one function, paste on there, and leave this one, and leave this one also. Select state from products where state is acute. I don't need that, and I'm gonna use display products, right? So I'm gonna copy this one function and go to product.php page and paste on uncomment, paste there. Everything is clear, I think. So let's refresh that. Perfect, right? As you can see, mechanical keyboard and everything is perfect. Let's check out. Now I'm gonna click on a headphone. This is the mechanical keyboard. I go to again headphone. Okay, I'm able to see same thing. Okay, this is the last one. Camera, Apple. What happened on their display products? Image. I don't know why I see this one problem on there. Set images. I'm gonna function where is state products. Just a minute, I'm gonna check out why I seen this. Right, I think something is very interesting on there. Right, so this is a basically product.php page, and this is a PID, means get variable. We will use this one variable to getting the particular product image from the database. So we need to use this one variable. So I comment out, and inside there I'm gonna call product ID, assign the null value, and I'm gonna copy that and paste there. And we need to call this one variable on there. If product ID not equal to null, then select state from product where PID, this is a database column name, equal to this one variable. This is a basically function parameter, right? And then we go to product.php. We will call this one function. I'm going to show you. Go to this one page and call this one function. This function will get two parameters. The first one is ID of the category. We will pass null value, right? Now the second parameter, we will pass the product ID, where you will get the product ID. So I'm gonna call product ID, assign null value, and call if set $get what get. We will get the value from the get variable, like this one. If this get variable is active, alright, then pass there and use this curly bracket and use product ID equal to my SQL will escape string, pass connection, not on there. Okay, I'll leave the MySQL connection this time. I just check out it's working or not. So I'm going to call $get and PID. This get variable will get the particular product ID and assign the ID on this one variable, and we will pass this one variable on the function. So I think it should be work. So let's check out now it's working or not. Okay, I go to cameras. As you can see, guys, we are able to see perfect detail, right? GoPro camera, and I don't see anything else inside this page, but let's check out from scratch. So this is a mechanical keyboard. I'm going to click on that mechanical keyboard details, and I don't need to see the image, but I will manage that. Now the last thing I'm going to show you, this is I'm going to show you from sketch. This is a LED page. Inside LED page, I can't see the LED category on there. This is a home page, and this is a basically a shop name. So we need to fix that. We will display the particular product category on there, and also we will display the link. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So go to function.php. First remove that and call the function display get links. Function display get links. So you need to use global con, write the query, and query is very interesting. The query is, we will use join. I'm going to show you how you can use join. You select product.pid. First you need to select the product table and this one ID, right? Then call product table name and product name. What we need to display? No, I think we need to, I need to remove that. I just call product table name products dot will get the category column name data, like this one. So you need to target the product table name from and also we need to get the category name, right? Inside the category name have numbers or IDs which represents the category table data. So the next thing you need to target product, no, you need to target category table name. This is another table. I'm going to show you this one table. You need to target this one table. You need to get the data from this one table to display the category names. So I'm going to call categories from cat name. We will get the cat name from categories dot categories page or categories table. So the next thing we need to target from product table I need to use inner join table name, which table you want to enter inside the product table. I need to display the category names, so you need to target the category table name and call on and use match and use the statement to check the data will match or not. So you need to use the product table name dot category name. This one name or this one ID will match on this one IDs, so you need to use category, not that, use equal sign and use categories table name dot ID, and use also you need to use another thing. First you need to select that and copy that and click to go. As you can see, you are able to see the table particular category names and particular category IDs, and this is your table product table IDs. So you need to use this one query on there and use also another statement where just a minute, I'm going to check that. We need to pass the parameter ID, assign null value, and use PID equal to product ID variable. I think it should be work, but we need to check that. Query, pass the connection and query variable, and use return like this one. So I'm gonna copy this one function and go to where category.php page and go to above, and we will pass this one on there. I'm gonna call this one same thing, same function. Inside there we will I need to use where PID, not PID. We need to use this one product IDs match with your, I'm gonna change that category ID, copy and paste on there, and inside this one page, not this one category page, you need to copy this one ID variable and paste on there, right? I think you understood, but don't worry, I will I'm going to show you. Go to function.php, everything is clear, and I'm going to call result MySQL I fetch associate pass display char link, and we will copy that, and inside the home page we will use simple the category page name, not this one, I just call category.php, and this is a product page. We will display echo result, not result. We will display the category name, so we just call the cat name column, just cat name, save, and let's check it now. I'm going to show you. Okay, home, I can't see the cat name. Right, so this is the computer, this is a camera page. As you can see, camera, this is the watches, and this is the LEDs, but I don't know why I can't see the images, I mean LEDs. So I go to computers, and this is the computer page. I'm gonna click on home. I'm able to see this is the home category home page, and I'm gonna click on computers. I'm able to see the same page on this one. I'm gonna click on headphone, and this is our headphone page, right? So this is a call join. And one more thing, I think we need to go on product page and set it back to category. Perfect. Home page, perfect. Front end, perfect. I click on GoPro. I want to display the price also on this page inside the product page. So I go to product.php page, and this is home image in stock, review, quantity, shop now, before shop now. After this, review, before review. I'm gonna copy the same thing and paste on there, and I use H3 for tag and use I use result variable and price column name. So I think it should be display. Yes, perfect. So you can assign the $sign as you want. Say fresh $500, right? You can also this is a quantity, and I also assign the price. Span tag, price, save, refresh, price. I also use colon space, price. Perfect. So I hope you understood as well how to work it. And this is a category page, home page, and inside the product page we will fix that also. So I'm gonna go to cameras, click on that. This is the product. This is the product of PHP page, and I go to above, and here is the same thing. So where the category.php page, and we will call this one function, and we also get the value from the get variable. This one, and then I go to copy and paste, right, and again copy this one page section and paste on there. Right, I think it should be perfect. Undefined display get length 22. Okay, I checked the video. Okay, the video's length is too large, so I'll leave this one section and I will tell you on later. So undo that, save and refresh the page. And this is the product page, and this is the particular product page and detail page. So I'm going to teach you another important thing on later. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.